Rishita.
Yeah.
Rishita, yo.
You already played one match of it?
Yeah, I just finished the game, yeah.
Small interaction, yeah. Introduction of body of work speaks for herself. Rishita Bhatt, welcome to Bowl Out series.
Thank you so much for having me.
You know, we're so happy you're our first female celebrity that set foot in our tournament.
Well, women in cricket, we can be spectators yet because now women play cricket. But I was an absolute district level plus at school I played close to.
That is really a revelation that we've discovered here.
Yeah.
Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Telugu, Nepali, Persian.
Do a lot with Bollywood, but at the same time it's sport, and you keep the sportsmanship spirit up always in life, whichever profession that you are in.
That is really some wonderful.
There.
And it's Hawks. GP Phantoms have won their toss. What do you choose to do? Okay, and what's the score you want to restrict them to? Okay, you picked.
So the 70 and the more than 70 went on. So you better give an answer for that. Let's see.
Yes, what do you have?
All the best. I love doing this. I mean, it was obvious that you were lucky with this, but let's see who's lucky with you.
Thank you so much. All the best for the game. Thank you.
Okay.
And we're very excited.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh.
That was the
Slightly a bit of a repeat because we're doing
Nice.
it.
Yeah. Just come step forward, like closer.
Yeah, first.
Our co-founder Richi Singh is here and we're so excited. Rishita Bhatt is here. Like I said earlier, our first female celebrity.
Yeah, I know. I think I've done the opening with this part of it. So not a bad one. I'm sure you'll have many more coming now.
And tell us about your affinity to any sport.
Well, I have been an absolute sports person. I played basketball even at the district level from school. I played throw ball. I was an athlete. Can you believe I went for all these javelin and shot put throws and I won? Yeah.
Zishan, I'll start from you.
Okay.
How are the series going so far? We have today.
It's going great. I would like to thank Rishita for gracing this occasion, and it's an underarm cricket league, so we're trying to give it a lot of importance because, I mean, as you know, cricket is a religion in our country. So this format of cricket is not widely known, so we're trying to give it as much as importance, and it's great to have people like Rishita come and support our initiative.
Rishita, what do you have to say about the series that you're here and you being the first female celebrity?
I'm here only to encourage and yes, to you all the very best. I hope his team wins, and I mean I'm sure the others are as good as well, not you as well. But the thing is, I'm just hoping to encourage this so that it becomes even better each year and this continues. So all my very best to cricket and to all of you here and all the people with so much enthusiasm. They've come in, tried to play, win. Even when they've lost, I think the sportsmanship spirit should be kept alive always. Oh, I just want to tell them, I just did the toss that, I said, I told one of them, you got lucky with the toss. I hope you all can get lucky on the field as well. So I'm hoping that the good, hard-working boys, and I'm sure a little bit of luck factor, but I hope they work hard and the best one wins.
निशिता, आप भी लाइक स्पोर्ट पर्सन है, आप अपने लाइक टाइम में भी बहुत अच्छे से स्पोर्ट्स में आपने खेला है, तो इस क्रिकेट के बारे में आपका क्या राय है? इस तरह से मतलब महिलाएं भी आजकल क्रिकेट खेल रही है, तो आपका क्या है?
अब क्रिकेट खेलने लगी है, बट क्योंकि मैं जब छोटी थी आई वाज इनटू स्पोर्ट्स एंड मैं एथलीट थी. आई हैव ट्राइड माय हैंड एट क्रिकेट. इट वाज अ बेट द बॉयज पुट अगेंस्ट मी कि लड़कियां नहीं खेल पाती. मैंने खेला, एक आंटी के पैर पे ऐसे जो मारा मैंने, एंड इट वाज रेड. आफ्टर दैट डे आई सेड आई प्रूव्ड माय सेल्फ, अब मैं नहीं खेलूंगी बिकॉज आई डोंट नो वेयर द बॉल विल गो फॉर श्योर. सो आई थिंक जहाँ तक क्रिकेट का सवाल है, आजकल तो सारे प्रोज हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट दिस स्पोर्ट इज ऑल्सो taking its spot in the limelight with women.
Zishan, I would like to know from you, how is the response so far? This is one of the longest leagues, so
Yeah.
what's the response like?
The response is good. I mean, we've had, so we have about 20 prominent team owners from across the city, and we have 440 players playing. So we have a mix of both. We have a few professional underarm cricketers playing. We have a few people who are playing it just as a recreation. So it's a good day. We have a lot of builders, restaurateurs, industrialists, players, ex-players who are coming in, just playing in. It's a good way to wind up everyone's working towards the week. So these games are only on the weekend. So the response is good. We're getting hundreds of thousands of views on our YouTube channel as well as our different platforms. So we aim to make it bigger and better. We had Yuvraj also come in the other day, so he also really liked the way this format was played, because obviously the format they play on an international level is overarm cricket. So underarm cricket has its own charm and its own popular players. So it's a different ball game altogether, and I'm trying to garner as much importance as I can for this format of the cricket.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
The team which is bowling is Dad's team. It's not his team, it's he's a player in the team.
Oh, is it? He's playing already?
I don't think he's playing, he's starting today.
Some Chirag, I think.
Chirag coming now. Chirag just.
What is this? Oh my god, yeah, I'm not vegetarian. I
So yeah, give him vegetarian, give some yogurt.
I'm good at it.
So we start at 4 PM and it goes on till 11 PM. But that's only on Saturdays and Sundays. Right now we're talking about per game we're getting about 105.
कुछ आया ना 1600 पे रिकॉर्ड है। ये कम करके देखो 3 पॉइंट अभी वो 800 करके फिर एक रिकॉर्ड या नहीं वेदांत का वो जो ओवर खराब हुआ ना he was boring वेदांत never a bowler for this was in the leg नहीं वेदांत bowler bad हो I found unfortunately this character can hit he's my ex of this match everyone's scared to bat I don't know why every fucking bat बॉबी को क्या बोला हाफ टाइम क्या बोला तेरे को हाफ टाइम
Try my hand at this. Very slow. You can't hit me. I can hit people. Oh, you did. just told. And out. And to you. He's been very kind to me. That's all I. My jersey number. Oops. He's been so kind. But it goes like this now. Poor guy. Just step forward, please.
Sure.
Zishan, Rishita, both of you.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All yours. And I keep coming here. मुझे ना लगा where is it? Typically Mumbai, it's spoiled.
Bobby, please tell her to come
I think I did want to come. I took a place for that, but I will now. But it's a very
So how's the game?
and handball, etc. And then after you're getting this.
Yes, it's a new incentive now for you to win the prize.
It's a new entry. But I won match of the match.
Okay. Yes, absolutely. Yes, prize of rupees 5,000.
There are a lot of
And
works
there
that
are
you
a lot
have to
of
give.
Rishita, we got a lot of work for you.
Wow.
A gift voucher from Shweta Bigim, a gift voucher from Sabai Spa Bandra, a gift voucher from Shri Sagar Bandra Exchange, a gift voucher from Social and another gift voucher from Social. There's some hampers now. A hamper from Palia Honey, a hamper from Goodies, a special gift from Ballet, a hamper from One Life.
My phone was ringing in between. I just heard it. I said, "Hey Ram, abhi the timing bhi everybody has amazing." Yeah, it was ringing. Like rub the ball and say, "Arey, करते कुछ करते." Bad, sorry.